Really what industry wanted was some practical information on managing COVID-19 in the field and when utilizing machinery. Don't sneeze in your hands, sneeze into the crook of your arm. Don't shake hands, keep your social distancing. The guidelines say 1.5 meters or more. You got to wash your hands with soap and water and lather your hands, rub them, get the crooks of your fingers, and wash in between your fingers, the back of your fingers, your thumbs, the back of your hands. General disinfectants like your Sterimaxes, etc., your house-grade products are not adequate according to the World Health Organization. If you want to sterilize equipment properly, it needs to be an alcohol-based sterilant, and it's got to be a minimum, I stress, a minimum of 60%, not less. I've got a squeegee bottle. I've labeled it 70% meths. I've got a Chuck's cloth here. So what we do is we spray the surface, put a little bit on the Chuck's cloth and wipe over the surface. There's a caveat here. If your surfaces, in other words, your steering wheels, your gear sticks, where you're constantly working, switching tractors, if there's dirt there and debris, get soap and water and wash it down first. That minimizes or reduces the spread of the virus. This is Mitchell Chapman. We're actually on Mitchell's and Tony's farm. So just a practical way of looking at this. So Mitch, what do you do on the farm with respect to trying to control the virus and minimize contact?
Well, I suppose actually Mum's done a lot of it for us. It's good. She's got a lot of signs up around the place, just reminding everyone to, when they use it, to clean them down properly. When they finish using them, wash your hands regularly.
Okay, so we're in the cab of the tractor. There's obvious places that you're going to be holding on to, steering wheels, door handles, etc., etc., screens. So I just give it a good spray the cloth, and then do a wipe down. So anywhere where people are in contact with, and I would encourage the guys on the farm to do this. So Safe Work Australia has got those guidelines. There's plenty of information out there, but I think use common sense, keep to the basic principles, and that'll definitely limit the spread of this virus. Okay, thanks for watching.